Okay, hi there, this is the Monkey Adventures. I'm going to show you all my monkeys that I use for all my videos. And the Webkinz Kids is my sister. Is going to show you some of hers. Okay, let's begin. First we have Little Monk, my first one. They're all in a row. Okay, second, Big Monk. Silver. Their last name is Monk, just to tell you. Then we have Mama Monk. Then, next we have Grandma Monk. And then, last, we have Lily Monk, which is the sister of Little Monk. Okay, now, the Webkinz Kids is going to talk. Okay, hi. Here are my Webkinz. This is Lizzie, my heart monkey. I didn't get it with a tag, but she's kind of my favorite monkey. She's cute. And there's Lizzie. And my other monkey is the signature chimpanzee. His name is Little Jimmy, and I got him by a friend also. And that's all my monkeys so far. Alright, thanks for watching. This is the Monkey Adventures / Webkinz Kids.